Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. The indefinite article in the plural has the same form for all three genders, masculine, feminine, and neuter. We simply add niște in front of the plural noun. For example, the masculine noun in the plural băieți, boys, becomes niște băieți, some boys. We added niște in front of băieți, niște băieți. M-am întâlnit cu niște băieți din alt cartier. M-am întâlnit cu niște băieți din alt cartier. I met some boys from a different neighborhood. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.